So today we're going to make 3D fish. We are going to make mini piñata poppers. So we are going to make coffee filter earths with handprint hearts. We're going to be making a bouquet of handprint tulips. I'm going to teach you how to write out secret messages. We are going to be making a bee hotel for our little pollinators.
Hi everyone, welcome to the MOAS Summer Baking Series. Here are the necessary ingredients that you'll need to make your soft bread. Put your flour, your sugar, spread some egg wash on our pie, which looks awesome. Bon appetit and laissez le bon temps rouler.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.